it has been a while since I've done video or anything like that. I have been really busy with school. I've been going to school every single day, doing school stuff, and I've been like a good student, okay? So anyways, today I am doing 10 random facts about myself, and yeah, so I chose 10 random, like extremely random things about me that seem to catch people attention a lot, or just people like want to know about myself. I started doing my makeup when I was 17 years old because my parents aren't like, I don't know, my parents are like really hard. They are really hard, and when I was 17, they like gave me permission to use makeup, but only like light makeup, you know, like powders and stuff like that. And when I was 18, I started to take makeup seriously. Like I started to use foundations and stuff like that. So yeah, I started like already years ago, you know. And I used to live in Sudan, and I was 5 years old. I had a pet monkey. It was so cute, and I had it till I was 7 years old, and it slept with me. So yeah, you guys, this is really embarrassing. I don't even know if I want to tell you this, but since I love you that much, I'm just going to tell you. So I stopped sucking my thumb when I was 13 years old. Okay, so now you know, and let's not talk about this anymore. Okay, I don't want to sound like I am bragging or anything like that, but I am kinda smart. I really am, but I'm really lazy. Like I'm really extremely lazy. I just don't feel like doing anything most of the time, like nothing. I just want to watch TV or just be around my computer and doing it. Like, okay, I'm really extremely lazy, but I am smart. Like I really am smart, okay? I have been made by black people because of my tan skin. You know, my skin is a little bit lighter than most black people, and because of that I've been bullied a lot, like really many times. But the thing is that it never like bothered me. Like whatever, I am like whatever, okay? I am good. The next fact is that my youngest brother is 17 years old, younger than me, so that's going to be a problem. The next fact is that I almost know everything about Greek mythology. I really love Greek mythology. I love reading them just for fun and know more stuff about it. Yeah, if you have seen my recent blog post, then you probably know about this fact. I love weasels. Like I love. Why is there always noise when I am making videos? Like seriously? Anyways, really love weasels. They are really cute, like, and I want a pet weasel, but yeah, I don't know. My mom doesn't like pets or animals, in fact, so whatever, mom, whatever. I have this weird phobia that I just can't stand seeing stuff that has I don't know how to explain this, and I don't remember that phobia's name, but like basically I can't stand looking at stuff that has dots on, or like you guys might have seen people sometimes they have these things in their faces like small dots or something like I don't know, like seriously don't know how to explain this one. So the last one is that I am a Muslim, and somehow it seemed to shock people a lot when I tell them that I am Muslim. My parents are Muslim, I am Muslim. So yeah, nothing about it. Okay guys, so this was all for this video, and I hope you know few things about me, few random things about myself, and I dare you to do this. And